In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear and rebuild thumbnails in Adobe Bridge. This process can help you manage your workflow more efficiently by ensuring that your images are displayed correctly and that you aren't bogged down by unnecessary cached files. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up Adobe Bridge on your computer. Once it's up and running, we need to access the Preferences menu. Now, depending on whether you're using a Windows or a Mac OS system, this process is slightly different but equally straightforward. If you're on a Windows machine, navigate to the top menu and click on Edit, and then look for Preferences in the drop-down list. On the other hand, if you're using a Mac OS, you will click on Bridge in the top menu and then go down to Preferences. Once you have the Preferences window open, you will see a list of different panels on the left side. Here, we need to focus on the Cache panel. Clicking on this will bring up several options related to the thumbnails and cache management. The cache is essentially where Adobe Bridge stores thumbnails and metadata to speed up your browsing experience, but sometimes it needs a bit of tidying up. As you explore the Cache panel, you will notice a button labeled Purge All Local Cache Files. This is the button that will clear out the clutter and rebuild everything from scratch. Before you hit that button, it's important to be aware that clicking it will remove all locally stored thumbnails and cache files. You might get a prompt warning you that proceeding with this action might result in the loss of ratings or labels applied to your photos. These warnings are just a heads up to ensure you're comfortable with the changes that will occur. If you are ready, go ahead and click OK to proceed. Clearing the cache is generally a good practice if you are experiencing any performance issues, or if you are dealing with a lot of new images and need a fresh start. It essentially allows Adobe Bridge to rebuild the thumbnails, ensuring that your images are represented accurately without any leftover or corrupted cache files interfering. That wraps up our tutorial on how to clear and rebuild thumbnails in Adobe Bridge. Following these steps will not only help keep Adobe Bridge running smoothly, but also improve your overall experience with the application. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.